ChangChui Creative Park. Let's get into it. This is a park that has a lot of vintage clothing, some Thai designs, and also it has Boeing jumbo jet here. I believe it's a 747. I haven't checked, but take a look. So this place is open early, but the time to come is at nighttime. I'd say any time after 4. It's about 5:30 right now, and there's a lot of vendors out. Some are still setting up. And currently under the airplane right now. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool what they've done here. And you know, I love airplanes, so. I was looking for this Bad Rabbit store. Okay, not Bad Bunny, Bad Rabbit. So that's why I came here. I'm gonna find it, and I hope that it's open, because it did take longer than expected because traffic hour is just so bad in Bangkok, especially rush hour. I even took the train to one point to avoid being in a car for so long, but it still took me almost 2 hours here. Let's see. Sarika. Have a Camp Craft, so they have some craft beer here. with boba
ใส่โบะโอเค
and boba and mango
อัน
boba.
สองอันนี้ no
No,
no
Oh, this?
นี่มีแค่นี้เองค่ะ
Do you have this?
อันนี้ no
No?
อัน
Do you have this?
เนี่ย no
Oh.
เลยหนึ่ง
Send this one, regular.
วัน
Yeah.
จ้ะ
Yes, small. Yeah. Let's pull her back home and I'm not ready for summer to be over. Well, I just got a Taiwan milk tea with boba. So this park is a little bit further out, which probably the best way of getting here is by scooter. Kapungka.
ใส่ถุงไหม
เอานมสดเผือก
นมสดเผือกใส่ท็อปปิ้งอะไรไหม
All right.
ใส่รสสลัด
Huh?
ค่ะ
Sorry.
ที่ถึง
Oh, this is video. Yeah. So, thank you. Let me show you the plane from here. It's pouring a lot. So this is the Bad Rabbit shop. I've called a Grab, but it's been taking like 15 minutes. So I just wanted to show you this, the inside. He does all of these paintings original. I got two things, a jacket, a jean jacket, and I got a t-shirt, a watermelon button-up t-shirt. It is so cool. Again, this is one of a kind. He was telling me that he sells a lot in China and Singapore. But yeah, if you want to come to this market, come when it's not going to be rainy, but you never know because there's days where they said it's been going to rain and it'll pour for maybe half an hour and then it'll stop and it won't rain again. But tonight, no. So this Bad Rabbit shop is if you go through gate 1. Hi, doggy. You must know him. If you go through gate 1, it's the first store on the left. I highly recommend it. And then there's another store here. Yes, which, you know, it's funny. I actually came in this way, but I didn't see this store because I was just walking, looking that way, and just missed it. But they also have like cassettes, different things. So you kind of have to look a little harder. Yes. So I'm just gonna go back and wait for my car, and then I'll take this to the train because I don't want to be stuck in traffic for 2 hours. But that's the ChangChui Creative Park. Come check it out. It's totally worth it. There's a lot of vendors, outdoors and indoors. If you want like used clothing or like original Thai designs, again, come here. Well, thanks for joining me, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I am RoamingAndro, signing off.